So, children, let's study today conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions, in a simpler language, can be said that these are joining words. Join things. Conjunctions means to join things. But when we talk about the conjunctions in grammar, it joins either the two words together or two sentences together to make it a meaningful one. So, what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are those words which join either the two words or two sentences to complete its meaning. So, let's see the exact definition of conjunctions. Conjunctions are connecting words. Example, and add things together in the sentence, like I like baseball and soccer, or also joins but makes an option. What do you like best, dogs or cats? Or can also pose a question. So, children, it's not only and which join things together in the sentence, or is also used to join. But when we join the two things using or, it gives us an option. Is that clear? So, we can say that and or both are known as conjunctions. Let's see the usage of and or. In sentence 1, I am going to play. In sentence 2, I am going to study. Using an if we use and to join the two sentences, it can be written as I am going to play and I am going to study. Using or, if we join the two sentences, I am going to play or I am going to study. So, children, what is the difference between the two sentences? I am going to play and I am going to study. This gives us the notion that I am playing also, I will be going to play also, and I'll be going to study also. So, the two sentences are joined by the word and, which depicts two different things which is taking place or which will take place. Now, when we see the sentence number 2, which states, I am going to play or I am going to study, here the choice is given, the option is given that whether I am going to play or whether I am going to study. So, here the option is given when we use or, the choice is there, the option is there in front to choose any one. Now, let's look at some of the tips while framing a sentence and using conjunction. Before every joining word, a comma must be used. Example, I like soup and I like sandwiches. You also must check that a and or can be used by taking out the and or and replacing it with a period. So, children, it's simple. When we use the joining word, a comma is used. Like you see here, I like soup and I like sandwiches. So, before using and word conjunction, comma is used. Then you can also check that a and or that and or can be used by taking out the and or and replacing it with a period. So we can also remove and or and we can use some other word depicting the time period. So there are certain conjunctions which are used very often, like conjunctions aren't only and or, they are so, because, but, then, after, also just a comma, etc. So these are all different types of conjunctions. Let's see some more examples of conjunction. No one came to save him, so he went off to explore. Alice smiled and then returned to her rabbit. So here so is the conjunction, and in sentence 2 and is the conjunction, as they both are joining two sentences. So I hope you all have understood conjunction. Now go through the exercises, the book exercises, and try to solve it. Thank you. Have a good day.